Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video, I will show you the new features for drawing detailing. Working with large assemblies often requires reducing the view to fewer parts. However, constantly showing and hiding parts takes time and effort. The solution can be found in the context menu of the view, where you can easily save the current parts list. Briefly show an assembly and then immediately return to the saved ideal state. You can overwrite this state as often as you like or forget it if no longer necessary. A real highlight in HiCAD 2026 is the new duplicate function for drawing sheets. This function is now available via the context menu of the drawing sheet. The entire sheet is copied, including all views, dimensions, and texts. The section and detail identifiers are of course retained in full. The advantage for you is that you can now create customer drawings, test plans and variants very rapidly, saving hours of work. You are probably familiar with the button for updating views. Unfortunately, this previously did not include the developments. With the new design of the button, all view types, including the developments, are now updated centrally. The update function is also available directly in the transparent toolbar. The submenu there also offers the option of recalculating individual developments. Your standard annotation of bores is now up to date. Previously, it was based on DIN ISO 15786. The new feature is the modern annotation method according to DIN EN ISO 129 with the associated symbols. Within your drawing, you can change the annotation at any time via the standard annotation settings. The font remains the same. You can use the configuration to define the standard annotations for all new drawings. The dimensioning and annotation ribbon offers a wealth of objects to place. Previously, you had to start the exact right function to remove them. The universal delete function has simplified this process dramatically. Simply start the function and select any object you want to delete. Use the Shift key to delete entire dimension structures. The Control key allows you to delete within a rectangle as usual. Right-click to gain access to other useful modes. Previously, a part had to be referenced externally in order to display the document number of the HiCAD drawing via a virtual attribute. With the new version, you can display the document number even without referencing. You also receive the document numbers for PNID, isometric drawings, and pipe spool drawings. The text editor also lists the reference attributes, customer, and material, with their sub-attributes, such as the customer name in this example. The form and positional tolerances as well as the surface symbols have been significantly modified. Firstly, you can activate an automatic function in the configuration that intelligently determines the end of the leader line. If you click on a surface, the end will be a point. If you click on an edge, the end will be an arrow. In both cases, the result is always filled, that is, not hidden. When you edit the placed symbol, you can also edit the additional leader line at the same time. Secondly, you can now place form and positional tolerances as well as surface symbols without any reference or leader line. Place the symbol freely in the drawing. This is also ideal for placing additional information near the title block. Finally, in the Form and Positional Tolerance dialog window, you can combine identical, consecutive features for a clearer and more concise display. This is shown in both the preview and in the drawing. That's it for this HiCAD short clip. I hope you enjoyed it and wish you lots of fun designing.